everyone, welcome to Traveling Lord. Today, we are going to take a look at the top 5 best lakes to visit in Nepal. Nepal has some of the most beautiful lakes in the world, from bright blue lakes high in the mountains to calm, peaceful ones surrounded by amazing views. These lakes are perfect for adventure and nature lovers. Let's explore these awesome lakes and see what makes them so special. Number 1. Rara Lake. Let's start with Rara Lake, the largest lake in Nepal. It's located in the Mugu district, far from the busy cities, making it a peaceful and quiet place to visit. The lake is about 10 kilometers wide and surrounded by thick forests and snow-capped mountains. The water is a stunning blue, and on sunny days, it looks almost magical. Rara Lake is part of Rara National Park, where you can find many animals like deer, wild boar, and even snow leopards. If you're lucky, you might also spot some colorful birds. The best time to visit Rara Lake is in the fall and spring when the weather is cool and perfect for hiking. It's a great place for nature lovers and anyone looking to experience the beauty and calm of Nepal's countryside. So, if you want to escape the busy city life, Rara Lake is the perfect place to visit. Next, we have Tilicho Lake, one of the highest lakes in the world. It's located in the Manang district, high in the mountains of Nepal, at an altitude of 4,919 meters. The lake is surrounded by towering peaks, and the view is absolutely stunning. Tilicho Lake is a popular spot for trekkers who want to experience the beauty of the Himalayas up close. It's part of the Annapurna Circuit, a famous trekking route in Nepal. The water in Tilicho Lake is a beautiful turquoise color, and it looks especially amazing against the snowy mountains in the background. The best time to visit is during spring or autumn when the weather is clear and perfect for trekking. If you love adventure and want to see one of the highest lakes in the world, Tilicho Lake is the place to be. Next up are the Gokyo Lakes, a group of beautiful lakes in the Everest region of Nepal. These lakes are special because they are located at high altitudes, between 4,700 and 5,000 meters, and they offer some of the best views of the Himalayas. The Gokyo Lakes are not just beautiful, they are also considered sacred by both Hindus and Buddhists. The clear blue water of these lakes is surrounded by snowy peaks, including Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world. Many trekkers visit Gokyo Lakes on their way to the Everest base camp, as the views are amazing. The best time to visit is in the spring or autumn, when the weather is clear and you can enjoy the incredible scenery. If you love adventure and want to see some of the most beautiful lakes with views of Everest, Gokyo Lakes is a must-visit spot. Next, let's talk about Pheva Lake, one of the most famous lakes in Nepal, located in the beautiful city of Pokhara. It's the second largest lake in Nepal and is known for its calm and clear water. What makes Pheva Lake special is the way it reflects the stunning Annapurna mountain range, creating a magical view. On the lake, you can even take a boat ride to visit the Tal Barahi temple, which is located on an island in the middle of the lake. The best time to visit Pheva Lake is during the dry seasons, from October to April, when the weather is perfect for boating and enjoying the view. Pheva Lake is a peaceful place to relax, enjoy nature, and have fun with friends and family. Finally, we have Shea Phoksundo Lake, located in the Dolpa district of Nepal. This lake is known for its amazing turquoise color, which looks like something out of a dream. Tall mountains surround Shea Phoksundo Lake, which is part of Shea Phoksundo National Park, a place full of rich wildlife and stunning scenery. It sits at an altitude of about 3,660 meters, so it's a bit higher up, which makes it extra special. The lake is also important to the local Tibetan culture, and the area is home to peaceful villages where you can learn about their way of life. The best time to visit is in the summer or autumn when the weather is clear and perfect for trekking. Shea Phoksundo Lake is a perfect destination for anyone looking to explore nature, culture, and beauty all in one place. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the top 5 best lakes in Nepal. Each of these lakes offers something special, whether it's stunning views, cultural significance, or the chance to experience Nepal's amazing nature. If you're planning a trip to Nepal, these lakes should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more exciting travel videos. Leave a comment below telling us which lake you'd like to visit first. See you in the next adventure with Traveling Lord.